Hello again, here is an update as I promised. So first I will show you how to install the new capsule. I got my new stock here. So how to install a new CO2 capsule 12 gram inside. I wouldn't be lubricating it with Belgian oil because I don't know where I put it, but it's a factory new. There's a lot of lubrication inside, so I decided not to put a lubrication this time. So let's put it here. And here is the screw in standard way. So you need to put in place and start pressing the screw. There was a silent, but here a little psst. It means that everything is okay. So let's put it here. And here is the magazine. I haven't seen it said before, but here is the metal. The slide is metal. Here is composite plastic. This is also metal, and this bottom stock of the clip is absolutely the same like in my CZ P07. This is CZ P07, this is CZ P07. There is new marks here. There is no CZ 75 P07, and the CZ decided to remove this. So now the model is CZ P07, but actually it looks pretty the same. It's impossible to recognize which is which, and believe me or not, the quality of the plastic is the same. The weight is the same. So I think it's a good choice for training purposes to train with CZ P07. Let's check inside. This is a real CZ P07 with the decocker configuration, and here is our BB. So we have a new capsule installed, and somewhere here I should have my BBs, so please wait a second. Let's do a couple of, probably here is the lock, so to load it, but I will put it manually. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 rounds for the beginning. Let's see a couple more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So the 20, I think it's the last. Maybe one more will go. But I will release this button here, and I believe it won't come out. Okay. It seems that it's fully loaded 20 rounds. Maybe one more we go. I don't know. Yes, I think I could try put one more here. So we have no, sorry, 20. 21 is over limit. Okay, so we got 20 rounds. Safety on. Let's load it and see how it flies. Alright, so we are loaded with a fresh capsule, 20 BBs inside the magazine, so it's fully loaded, fresh capsule, and I will shoot 20 BBs into into target, and you will see how the blowback works and stuff. So safety off, you can cock the gun, or of course you can use a slide to cock it for the first time. And now let's shoot. Okay, and as you can see, after a rust round, the slide remains in back position like in the firearm CZ, and also the slide release works, so you can switch the magazines and continue to fire. And this is how the target looks like. The distance was about 3 meters from me to this paper. And I didn't aiming especially. I was trying to shoot as fast as possible with being inside the target. So the grouping is, I don't know if you forget about those twos, those four. The whole grouping here is in a circle of the radius 3 centimeters. Okay, so let's get back to table. Some stuff. So reload this empty magazine. To decock the gun, you need to unsafe and gently put the hammer into neutral position, and now the safety on, and now you can start loading next magazine. And to give you a summary, to give you an overall impression, the capsule, the fresh capsule remains, and it's enough for 4 fully loaded magazines with the constant power, and the aiming is pretty okay. So the 5th magazine is possible to shoot, but I do not recommend. So 80 rounds in one capsule, I think it's a really good score. It's a really good result comparing to Gamma PT85, which I also reviewed on this channel. It's much better, because on a Gamma, which also has a blowback, of course, you can only get about 8 multiplied by 4, which means 30 to 48 in some conditions, depending on the speed of shooting, of course. So my overall impression on this update about this duty CZ P07, really good gun, well made. I hope there wasn't be any problem like with the Umarex, with HNK USP from Umarex, with the gas leaking. If such a things will happen, of course I will make a video about it. But for now, for this few days playing with this gun, I can recommend you. It's good for training, of course, in a garage. You don't have to go to a shooting range to train some basic operations with the gun and have some fun just by shooting. So thanks for watching, and see you later. It was all guns. That's all. Have a nice day.